Giraffe has more publicly shared payout screenshots and user redemption reports, while Bingo Cash has more evidence from competitive players who successfully cash out tournament winnings, rather than earning rewards through app offers. By the end of this video, you'll know what counts as real payout proof, how these two apps earn users money, and which one gives stronger evidence that people are actually getting paid. The short answer is that both apps have real payout proof. But the proof looks very different because the apps work differently. Giraffe is a rewards app. You earn points by installing and playing sponsored mobile games, then exchange those points for rewards such as gift cards or cash through available redemption options. Most payout proof comes from users sharing redemption confirmations, payment screenshots, and reward histories after completing offers. Bingo Cash works as a skill-based competitive game. Players enter cash tournaments where available, compete against other players with similar skill levels, and withdraw winnings if they earn more than they spend on entry fees. Most payout proof comes from withdrawal screenshots, tournament histories, and videos showing successful cash outs. That's an important distinction. A Giraffe payment shows that someone completed enough rewarded activities to redeem their balance. A Bingo Cash payment shows that someone won enough games to withdraw money after tournament play. Neither type of proof guarantees that every user will earn the same results. When evaluating payout proof, don't rely on a single screenshot posted online. Look for repeated reports across app stores, review sites, discussion forums, and video demonstrations. Consistent evidence from many independent users is much more convincing than one viral social media post. You should also read each app's withdrawal rules before spending time or money. Reward apps often require reaching a minimum redemption threshold, while skill-based cash games may have verification requirements or withdrawal conditions before funds are released. If your goal is earning predictable rewards through gameplay, Giraffe is generally the safer choice because you're completing sponsored offers instead of competing against other players. If you enjoy competitive bingo and understand that winnings depend on your performance, Bingo Cash offers a different way to earn. The key points are simple. Both Giraffe and Bingo Cash have real user payout evidence. Giraffe's proof comes mainly from reward redemptions, while Bingo Cash's comes from tournament withdrawals, and you should always verify payout requirements before investing your time or money. If this comparison helped, like the video, and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.